it's Brewbird. In this video, I'm talking about a project at In the Welsh Wind Distillery to turn beer into craft vinegar. So let's get to it. When the lockdown started and pubs were shut down, many breweries found themselves with a lot of product that they could no longer move. One of the breweries in this position was Bluestone Brewery. They contacted our distillery to see if we could use their beer in some way, and the owner here came up with the idea of making vinegar with it. We used the Alorin process of making vinegar, an ancient method of vinegar production which was made famous by the French and is named after a small town in France named Orléans. Go figure. We took the beer that we received from the brewery and divided it into several 200-liter oak casks that we had. Into each cask we put this hideous thing. This is the Mother of Vinegar. It kind of looks like a jellyfish, at least to me, and is composed of a form of cellulose and acetic acid bacteria that develops on fermenting alcoholic liquids and turns alcohol into acetic acid with the help of oxygen from the air. It can be added to wine, beer, cider, or other alcoholic beverages to create vinegar. Now you can actually create your own Mother of Vinegar, but it will take a lot of patience and a very warm space to do it in. However, for this project, we got a vinegar mother from the Orkney Craft Vinegar Company. The alcohol in the beer combines with the oxygen in the atmosphere to form acetic acid and water. Acids and esters are also derived from the beer to give the vinegar its unique aroma and flavor profile. It was left in the barrel for over 3 months, and voila, the beer vinegar is ready. It actually has a complex and very floral taste. I don't know if it's something you'd pour straight onto fish and chips, but it might be nice to make a vinaigrette for salad or something fancy like that. After a few months, you can siphon off the vinegar from the cask, leaving about a quarter of liquid inside the cask. You can store your newly made vinegar as you would any other vinegar that you buy from the store. Then refill the cask with more beer so that the Mother of Vinegar can work its magic and create even more vinegar. Now the bacteria, Acidobacter, which makes up the Mother of Vinegar, works best at alcohol percentages between 3 and 17%. This is why beer, wine, and cider are best suited to be turned into vinegar, because they have relatively low ABVs when compared to spirits such as whiskey, gin, and vodka, which have higher ABVs, around 40% or more. But that doesn't mean you can't use spirits to make vinegar. It just means you'll first have to dilute the spirit down with water to a lower ABV to make it more suitable for the Mother of Vinegar to do its thing. So if you have some leftover beer, wine, cider, or even gin or whiskey lying around, don't pour it down the drain. All you have to do is get your hands on a Mother of Vinegar, put it in the liquid, and make sure that you leave the lid of the container open so that the liquid has access to oxygen. And just put a cheesecloth over the opening of the container. Then forget about it, and after a few months you'll be able to enjoy your very own fancy schmancy craft vinegar. Hope you enjoyed learning about how to turn your leftover alcoholic drinks into vinegar. It's dead simple, isn't it? Please support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more distilling and distillery videos. This is Brewbird, sending good vibes your way. I'll see you next time.